Atma Namaste. Divine forgiveness prayer. Let us ask for blessings to the Supreme God. Thank you, my spiritual teacher. Thank you, all the spiritual teachers. Thank you, all the higher beings. Thank you, all the divine deities. Thank you. We will do 7 stages of forgiveness. Let us begin. Put your hands on the heart in Namaste position. Imagine all the people, all the beings, entire planet Earth, anyone and everyone who troubled you, and all those who got troubled by you knowingly or unknowingly, intentionally or unintentionally, directly or indirectly, by your thoughts, feelings, speech, or action. Say, we are holy children of God, children of the Most High. We all make mistakes in the process of moving from Atma to Mahatma, knowingly or unknowingly. Atma Namaste. I salute the divinity in all of you. I salute the divinity in each and every person, each and every being. I recognize, salute, and respect the divinity in all of you. I forgive you because that is the right thing to do without any condition and without any exception. I divinely forgive all of you. I ask for sincere forgiveness from all those who got troubled or hurted by me or experienced any negativity because of me. I make sincere and continuous effort, right effort, not to repeat the mistakes and never do any mistakes. Please pardon me. I forgive myself and move forward in my spiritual journey. May I learn all my lessons. May all people, all beings be blessed with physical healing, etheric healing, emotional healing, spiritual healing, financial and material healing, and supreme divine healing right now on all the levels. And may all people, all beings be lifted to the highest level of divine infinite consciousness now. May you get divine guidance to go in the right direction and always be blessed with constant divine help, divine protection. Imagine all the people, all the beings are going in the right direction, uplifting and becoming better. Visualize them experiencing higher level of peace, having activated heart chakras, fully awakened, divine qualities in them, and getting divine guidance to go in the divine direction from God, from all the higher beings. Imagine they are taking right steps and doing everything that is righteous. Do not visualize that they do this or that, but just have a heartful wish that they do the righteous and go in the righteous direction. Silently say, may we experience peace. May divine peace, divine bliss, divine mercy and compassion be upon you, all connected to you and all your environments. Divine peace be upon me, all connected to me and all my environments. Chant the Om Mani Padme Hum mantra with awareness and compassion. Radiate peace, tremendous love, mercy, and compassion to all of them, including yourselves. Chant Om Mani Padme Hum a few times. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. I release and go in peace. Peace be upon all. God, please bring me in the realm of your divine peace and divine bliss. God, please bring all people, all beings into your divine realm of peace and divine love. Second time for the specific person. Now here, imagine that one person whom you are not able to forgive for a very long time, about whom you feel any negativity, anger, resentment, vengeance, or revenge. Imagine that person whom you think most of the time and hold them responsible for your condition. Put your hands on the heart in the Namaste Mudra. Imagine that person in front of you and say, Atma Namaste. I salute the divinity in you. I recognize and respect the divinity in you. I forgive you for all the pain, hurt, and negativity that you have caused me by thoughts, feelings, speech, actions, and behaviors, and for the persistent condition or pressure put by you. I ask for sincere forgiveness from you, and I pray to God to forgive you completely right now. I seek your forgiveness for whatever pain that I caused you in my thoughts, feelings, speech, actions, behaviors, and on any level. We are all children of the Absolute Supreme God. Thank you for strengthening my inner muscles and developing my forgiving ability. Viewing from the highest point of view, we all are one. children of God, emerging from God. We are not separate, and I am very grateful to you for accelerating my spiritual development and overall well being. May we both go in the righteous direction. May peace and love be upon both of us and in our lives. May we harmonize all the conflicting factors. May all these conflicts be divinely resolved properly, easily, right now. And so it is done. May we be guided in the righteous direction, be blessed and always protected. May you be blessed with physical and inner healing. May you uplift into higher emotional state, maintain calmness. May you be blessed with success in this life and achieve all your targets and be successful in all the noble endeavors of your life. Please go in peace. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. The third iteration, imagine this person or group of people becoming wholesome, and you are also becoming wholesome in your interaction with them. Again, put your hands at the heart chakra in the Namaste Mudra and have a very big smile on your face. Feel this relaxing energy in your body, in your system. Silently affirm Atma Namaste, Atma Namaste, Atma Namaste. We are part of the divine. I recognize, respect, and appreciate the divinity in you. We are all in the process of evolution. We all tend to make mistakes to learn our lessons. I now stop exacting on you. May you stop exacting on me. Thank you for being part of my life and all the lessons. I am very grateful to you for strengthening my inner muscles and developing my forgiving ability, and for spiritually uplifting me, for being with me. May you go in the right direction. May you uplift into highest level of infinite consciousness. And may God always be with you. May the divine presence of God and all the higher beings always stay with you. May your heart chakra be fully activated, fully awakened. May your crown chakra be super activated and permanently be fully awakened. And so be it, and so it is done. Feel the divine energies. Feel the divine blessings. May we experience God's peace and love. May we be divinely guided into righteous direction. May all the causes, conditions, effects of our negative energy exchanges be permanently erased and neutralized and be transmuted into divine light. May you be blessed with good health, vitality, longevity, happiness, and with what is best for you. Divine Shanti be upon you. Divine Shanti be upon me. Divine Shanti be upon our environment. Divine Shanti be upon the entire universe. Please go in peace. God, thank you for bringing all of us into the realm of divine Shanti forever and ever. Bring your hands in the blessing position at your chest level. Again, chant the Shanti mantra with me for a few times. Om Shanti 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 Om. 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 Observe your inner state and your inner world. Remember that you are the soul with body, and with this realization that being an infinite spiritual being, you can easily and instantaneously and permanently forgive and bless. Moving on to the fourth repetition. Imagine the same person or group of people and group of beings in front of you. Say that Atma Namaste. I salute the divinity in you. I recognize and respect the divinity in you. You are part of God, emerged from the God's Atma, the Paramatma, the Parabrahman. Extension from the child of God, and we are all manifested gods. The process of our spiritual evolution involves certain mistakes to learn the lessons, and that's not a big deal. God, please bless us that we learn all our lessons without any mistakes from now, and in the very simplest, easiest manner, comfortable and suitable for each of us. Silently say, I forgive you, and ask for sincere divine forgiveness from you. I forgive all the not so good and unwholesome thoughts, feelings, speech, actions expressed by you. I already have forgiven you. I have forgiven you for all the unwholesomeness and negative done by you towards me. I will never cause any negativity and unwholesomeness towards each and all of you. And I also pray to not to do any negativity and unwholesomeness towards me. And God's blessings be with us to do this. Good karma. I ask for sincere forgiveness for my own thoughts and feelings which have not been kind and the resultant speech or action. Please pardon me, forgive me, and have your mercy upon me. I will make the truest, sincere effort to improve and be the most wholesome, noblest being. May you address the cause and accomplish the divine purpose of this incarnation. Thank you for spiritually uplifting me, strengthening developing my inner muscles. Thank you for super accelerating and making my spiritual development and spiritual progress most rapid and proper. I am very grateful to you. Now it is time we harmonize and go in the righteous divine direction and let go of the past and erase all the unwholesome memories. You are divinely blessed by God. May we maintain our highest divine infinite consciousness permanently. Peace be upon you. Peace be upon me. Peace be upon all of our environments. Peace be upon the universe, now and beyond. Go in peace. Now chant the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum a few times with me, peacefully and with tremendous love, mercy, compassion, forgiveness, and pardoning. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Be aware of your skin pores, of your physical body. Be aware of each and every particle, each and every cell, each and every anu and parmanu of your system. Visualize and feel that Om Mani Padme Hum mantra is written, is imbibed in each and every particle of your being forever and ever, so that you become super compassionate, merciful, forgiving, intelligent, and very powerful. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani मणि पद में हूँ, ओम 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 मणि पद में हूँ। Fifth time, forgiveness stage. Again, put your hands at the heart center. Imagine the person or a group of people or beings in front of you. Affirm silently, Atma Namaste. I salute the divinity in you. I recognize and respect the divinity in you. By being harsh, negative, and unwholesome to me, you have generated negative entitlement. Being harsh, negative, and unwholesome to you, even I have generated negative entitlement. Both of us have done it in our thoughts, feelings, speech, actions, and behaviors. May we neutralize this and forgive each other right now. May God neutralize this negative karma and forgive us completely now and never let happen any negative energy exchanges. My thoughts and feelings may not have been kind, and that is not healthy. I now visualize only wholesomeness and nobility for you. May you become the most wholesome and most noble like the Supreme God and radiate divinity. I wish all the wholesomeness and nobility to you and to your soul, to your Atma. May you always be one with the Paramatma and the Parabrahman. You have uplifted me spiritually by pressurizing and strengthened my inner muscles. I am very grateful for this. I am super thankful that you came in my life and helped me learn my lessons. Else, I would not have got that much upliftment. I recognize this, and may you get released from the burden of causing pain and negativity to me, and I be released from the burden of causing pain and negativity to you. May we both be divinely blessed and constantly protected by God. May we move in the righteous direction in a harmonious manner. May we address the issues with mutual respect and concern, address the needs of each other with maximum compassion, and let all the discomfort, negativity, and grudges, resentments between us be transmuted into divine energy. And so it is. May we feel comfort with each other in thoughts, feelings, speech, actions, behaviors, and on all the levels. Comfort with each other in physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual levels. Spiritually, at the soul level, we are one. May we be blessed with greater inner peace and achieve the purpose of this incarnation. Peace be upon us and our environments. Go in peace and always stay in the divine realm of peace. Shanti. Again, chant the Shanti mantra. Om Shanti, 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 Om a few times with me. Om Shanti, 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 Om. Om Shanti 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 Om. Be still, be aware of your inner state. Be aware of your pineal gland. Be aware of your pituitary gland. Be aware of your adrenal glands. Be aware of your front heart chakra and the back heart chakra. Be aware of your Sahasrara chakra or crown chakra. Be aware of your entire body and say Om Mani Padme Hum for 7 times. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Sixth iteration for forgiveness. Visualize this person or group of people or beings again. What is your feeling now? Do you feel lighter and better? So when we forgive like this wholeheartedly, we become free from chains or bondage of negative karma. We are saved from negativity in our further incarnations or further stages of life. Now, affirm with me, we are the children of the Absolute Supreme God. We are the soul, one with our higher soul. I surrender to my permanent spiritual teacher, to the Param Gurus, to the Parameshti Gurus, and to the Paratpar Gurus, and to the Parabrahman, that this lack of forgiveness in me towards anyone, and inability, unwillingness, or obstacles to forgive myself, and any inability, unwillingness, or obstacles to ask for forgiveness and give forgiveness, especially to this person or group of people or beings at all levels of physical, etheric, emotional, mental, spiritual levels. levels of our mindset. All discomfort and negative karma with this person, group of people or beings, all such kind of negativity and unwholesomeness in thoughts, feelings, speech, or actions directed to this person or group of people or beings or anywhere and everywhere, and any inability to accept this person, this group of people and beings as they are, be disintegrated and directed deep into the core of the earth from all my systems and from all the levels. God, thank you for permanently disintegrating, erasing, and neutralizing all the negative karma of myself, of all people, all beings, and of the entire universe. Thank you for divine blessings so that no negative karma is generated from now onwards. I seek your blessings. I surrender to the God, to the Guru. The divine energies and blessings coming from the Supreme Parabrahman passing through the Param Gurus, all higher beings and all divine deities, passing through and guided by my permanent spiritual teacher. May the lack of proper tolerance and patience, any tendency to blame, any tendency to wish bad and inability to recognize and respect the divinity in all people and all beings, any lack of forgiveness to anyone, to myself, and especially to this person, group of persons, or group of beings be disintegrated. May all the forgiveness, its causes, conditions, and its effects be disintegrated and neutralized, and so it is. With the divine energies and blessings flowing through my soul, through my vehicles, my subtle bodies, may all these negative tendencies be continuously disintegrated, directed deep down into the earth to be neutralized. Further, all these negativity, its causes, conditions, effects, and sources be disintegrated, constantly be dispersed into Mother Earth right now. O God, my Sadguru, all higher beings, all divine deities, I surrender to you. Thank you for accepting my Samarpan and Sharnagati forever and ever. May we be blessed to harmonize conflicting factors, let go of the past and move forward. May we be blessed with physical and inner healing. May we make right targets and go in right direction. May peace be upon us and our environments. May we be blessed with peace at all levels. We seek your blessings. Chant the Shanti Mantra 7 times. Om Shanti 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 Om. 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 Just say, I forgive and let go now. Seventh and the final repetition for the forgiveness. Imagine the person, the group of persons, group of beings, including yourself in front of you. Put your hands joined at the heart center in the Namaste position. Be aware of your crown chakra, your front and back heart chakras, your magmain chakra, and all your system, subtle bodies. Be aware of your entire being. Be aware of your skin pores and every particle of your body. And say, Atma Namaste. I salute the divinity in you. I recognize and respect the divinity in you. We are all children of the Divine Supreme God. I am very thankful to you for strengthening my inner muscles, developing my virtues, and helping me realize the path of truest righteousness. Thank you for accelerating my spiritual progress properly, easily, and most rapidly. May any negativity in our relationships be permanently disintegrated and neutralized. May we all be blessed. May divine peace, divine joy, divine harmony be upon all of us. All the discomfort, pain, sorrow, disorder, disease, and suffering be dissolved at physical, etheric, emotional, mental, spiritual, and all levels. May we be divinely guided. Whatever is remaining between us be resolved. May we harmonize conflicting factors. May we go issue based, not personality based. May we go issue by issue and resolve it and not extend it to all other areas of our life. May we isolate and resolve each individual issue to meet the need of each other with compassion and mercy. May we put aside things that cause negativity, discomfort, and any unwholesome karma and resolve it when time comes. As and when the issues keep emerging on a day-to-day basis, we divinely resolve it and pray God to divinely resolve all the negative events, negative karma before they even happen, and never let any negative karma happen. May we not allow any negative karma to build up. May complete hatred, animosity, and discomfort between us be permanently neutralized. If our relationship cannot become positive, we pray to God to make our relationship harmonious and divine. May our karma that is negative be neutralized. Only what is good and wholesome come to me. May only that is good and wholesome come out of my mind and my mouth and in my actions. May I be wholesome on all the levels. May I be wholesome in thoughts, feelings, actions, and behaviors. God, thank you for making my karma good and wholesome from now onwards. God, please disintegrate, destroy, burn, and erase all the negative and unwholesome energies and unwholesome seeds from my system. May I radiate only God's goodness towards myself, towards all people, all beings. May I radiate only God's goodness towards the entire planet Earth and towards the universe, properly and perpetually. God, thank you for blessing me with what is best for me. God, thank you for blessing each and every Atma with what is best for them. May peace be upon all of us. May we be blessed with inner and physical healing, move forward and succeed in the righteous direction, accomplish our divine purpose of our life properly, easily, successfully, and rapidly. Again, chant the Shanti mantra 21 times. Om Shanti 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 Om. 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 Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. God, thank you for always keeping me in the realm of divine Shanti. Thank you, God, for always keeping all the people, all the beings, and entire universe in the realm of divine Shanti. Lord Shiva, Archangel Michael, please disintegrate and dissolve all the negativity from my life, from the life of all people, all beings, and from the entire universe. Thank you. I release, pardon, forgive, and let go now. Peace be upon all. God, make me your divine instrument to radiate divine Shanti perpetually to all people, all beings, to all the universes, and to the Maxi universe. Let the entire planet Earth, every person, every being be unconditionally and without exception blessed. Let all the sentient beings in all the worlds, in all the directions, everywhere be blessed with infinite mercy, infinite compassion, infinite forgiveness and pardoning, infinite divine loving energies. May the Maxi universe, universes, galaxies, cosmos, moons, suns, stars, planets, space, sky, air, water, earth, fire, ether, each and every person, each and every being, and all the sentient beings be blessed with infinite divine energies and divine blessings. So be it, so it is, and so it is done right now, now. Tathastu. Om. Amin. Amen. Thank you. in full faith. To the Divine Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my spiritual teachers, all the spiritual teachers, all the higher beings, all the divine deities, to my higher soul, to my divine self, to my inner self, to Lord Shiva and Archangel Michael, to all the spiritual and invisible holy divine beings, to all the celestial beings, we all in this divine oneness thank you for great, great blessings, for forgiveness and pardoning, for mercy and compassion, for healing and harmony, for reconciliation and rejuvenation. We thank you for vitality and longevity. We thank you for infinite good karma. We thank you for all the blessings that we received. We thank you for all the blessings that we are receiving. And we thank you for all the divine blessings that we will continue to receive. With infinite gratitude, infinite respect and reverence, infinite love, perpetual devotion, and salutations. Together we are at your golden holy lotus feet. Thank you, thank you, thank you.